The official languages of Kenya are Swahili and English. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya and is the largest city in the country. Kenya is home to several national parks and reserves, including the Masai Mara, Amboseli National Park, and Tsavo National Park. The Masai Mara National Reserve is famous for its annual wildebeest migration, one of the 7 natural wonders of Africa. Mount Kenya, the second highest mountain in Africa, is located in Kenya. Kenya is known for its long-distance runners, who dominate international marathons and long-distance races. Tea and coffee are major exports of Kenya, with the country being one of the largest producers of tea in the world. The Great Rift Valley runs through Kenya and is known for its stunning landscapes and wildlife. Kenya gained independence from British colonial rule in 1963. The Masai people are one of Kenya's most well-known tribes, known for their colorful clothing and traditional way of life. The Kenyan coastline along the Indian Ocean is home to beautiful beaches and coral reefs. Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa and the source of the Nile River, is shared by Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. The Samburu National Reserve is home to unique wildlife species not found in other parts of Kenya. Kenyan cuisine is diverse, with dishes like ugali, nyama choma, and samosas being popular. The Turkana people live in the northwest region of Kenya and are known for their nomadic way of life. The equator passes through Kenya, and there is a monument marking the location near Nanyuki. Kenya has a rich cultural heritage, with over 40 different ethnic groups living in the country. The Masai people are known for their traditional jumping dance, a display of strength and agility. Lake Nakuru National Park is known for its flamingo populations and diverse bird life. The Kenyan shilling is the official currency of Kenya. The Kenyan flag consists of black, red, green, and white colors, symbolizing the people, land, blood shed for independence, and peace, respectively. Lamu Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its Swahili architecture and rich history. Wildlife conservation is a major focus in Kenya, with many organizations working to protect endangered species. The Aberdare National Park is home to diverse habitats, including rainforests, moorlands, and plains. The Kenyan economy is driven by agriculture, tourism, and services sectors. The Masai Mara is home to the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhinoceros. The Kikuyu people are the largest ethnic group in Kenya and are known for their farming practices. Diani Beach is a popular tourist destination in Kenya, known for its white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. The Mombasa Old Town is a historical area with Arab, Portuguese, and British influences. Kenya has a rich artistic tradition, with music, dance, and storytelling playing an important role in culture. The Kenyan Rift Valley is known for its geothermal activity, with hot springs and geysers found in the region. The Turkana Basin in Kenya is known for its significant fossil discoveries, including early human ancestors. The Chalbai Desert in northern Kenya is the only true desert in the country, known for its stark beauty. The Kenyan government is a unitary presidential republic with a multi-party system. Lake Turkana in Kenya is the largest desert lake in the world, known for its unique blue-green color. Kenya is a popular destination for safari tours, offering a chance to see the Big Five and other wildlife up close. The Masai Mara National Reserve is named after the Masai people and the Mara River that flows through the park. The Kenyan highlands are known for their fertile soil and are the breadbasket of the country. The Mau Forest Complex is the largest indigenous montane forest in East Africa and is vital for water catchment in the region. Kenyan tribes often have unique traditions and customs, including traditional dances, clothing, and ceremonies. The Kenyan coastline is lined with mangrove forests, which are important ecosystems for marine life. The Kenyan government has made efforts to improve healthcare and education for its citizens, with mixed results. The Rift Valley lakes in Kenya are known for their flamingo populations and stunning scenery. Kenyan music blends traditional African rhythms with modern influences, creating a vibrant and dynamic sound. The Kenyan film industry, known as Riverwood, produces a wide range of films in Swahili and English. Kenya has a strong tradition of storytelling, with oral histories passed down through generations. The Kenyan highlands are known for their cool temperatures and lush green landscapes. The Kenyan flag is one of the most recognizable flags in Africa, featuring a shield and spears. The Kenyan parliament is composed of two houses, the National Assembly and the Senate. Kenyans are known for their hospitality and warm welcome to visitors. The Kenyan judicial system is based on English common law, with a Supreme Court at the apex. Kenya has a diverse climate, with coastal areas experiencing tropical weather and highlands having cooler temperatures. The Kenyan government has made efforts to promote ecotourism and sustainable development in the country. Kenya has a rich history of resistance to colonial rule, with numerous freedom fighters and heroes. The Kenyan savanna is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including giraffes, zebras, and wildebeest. The Kenyan flag was adopted in 1963 and has remained unchanged since then. The Turkana people are known for their intricate beadwork and traditional attire. The Kenyan music industry is a major cultural export, with artists like Sauti Sol gaining international recognition. Kenyan cuisine reflects the country's diverse cultures, with influences from India, Arabia, and Europe. The Kenyan government has made efforts to combat corruption and improve governance in recent years.